Welcome to Aditya Birla Capital. In our changing world, new customer acquisition has become a challenge. Competition from different distribution channels has increased. Loyalty of customers have dropped. You cannot predict your earnings. In today's scenario, customers want financial solutions. Customer needs support to select the right products. Customers are looking for multiple investments, protection and financing options. Customer wants hassle-free one-stop financial solutions. Aditya Birla Capital offers an opportunity for you, presenting Aditya Birla Capital Select, which offers one common platform to serve your customers with complete financial solution. Let's explore how can you get benefited. Increase your engagement and business with your existing customers. Increase your income from existing customers. Get rewarded for your commitment to offer multiple products. Become one-stop financial solution provider to your customers. The customer also gets better advice and value from this approach, and hence it is a big win-win for all. In this journey of yours, Aditya Birla Capital partners with you to offer complete financial solutions to your customers across life and health insurance, mutual fund, equity stock broking, home and other loans. We welcome you to join to one of the most premier programs in the industry, which offers seamless onboarding in different businesses of Aditya Birla Capital. Get yourself trained on multiple products and processes offered by Aditya Birla Capital. Get support of technology platform. Engage with your dedicated key account manager assigned to you. Let's collaborate to offer a total money solution and enhance your business by joining Aditya Birla Capital Select program.